Top 5 Best Rolling Tool Cabinets. Number 5. Husky 36 in 3-drawer rolling tool cart. The Husky 36 in 3-drawer rolling tool cart with wood top features 3 drawers for handling various tools. The bottom storage tray is reinforced with steel to withstand the larger and heavier items. It comes with a smooth work surface at the top and solid lockable drawers. The bottom tray has a high load capacity and is reinforced with steel, making it suitable for big tools. The rolling tool chest has a big push handle and large casters for portability and ease. Pros: sturdy and well built. Pre-mounted threaded bolts make it easy to assemble. Great work surface at the top. Cons: the lower drawer is a bit shallow. Screw organizers don't fit well. Coming in number 4. Goplus 6-drawer rolling tool chest. With a large bottom cabinet and 6 drawers, the Goplus tool chest is a convenient option for putting different sizes of tools separately. It's made of high-quality cold-rolled steel and has drawers that move smoothly. Its exterior features anti-corrosion and anti-rust paint that makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. If you choose to, you can detach the storage cabinet into 2 boxes, so that you can use them separately. Pros: made of steel, making it sturdy. For swivel casters, make it portable. Drawers open and close smoothly. Cons: the drawers aren't deep enough. Instructions aren't very clear. Coming in number 3. Seville Classics UltraHD 6. The Seville Classics UltraHD 6-drawer rolling cabinet is a heavy-duty tool chest that features a powder-coated stainless steel body, sturdy doors, and keylock security. It has a wooden top that provides an extra working space. It comes with 2-inch caster wheels that make it portable. It also has an adjustable shelf that is made of hardwood to provide a good working surface. The tool chest is very roomy and has a capacity to hold up to 300 pounds. Pros: spacious interior. Highly portable. Magnetic screwdrivers and all screws included. Cons: lots of assembly is required. Coming in number 2. 173015 Garage Glider Rolling Tool Chest. If you don't have a lot of space for a more spacious tool chest, you may want to consider the WN71015 tool chest. You can fold it to the side to save on space. It has a fairly large amount of storage, rolls smoothly, and comes with a useful seat. The tool chest is easy to assemble and doesn't require any special tools. You can also modify the tool chest with a little effort. It has 2 magnetic wings on both sides, providing a simple storage option for loose bolts and screws. Pros: compact and portable. Many storage slots. Easy to assemble. Cons: drawers don't slide smoothly. Unsuitable for large tools. Coming in number 1. Keter Rolling Tool Chest. The Keter rolling tool chest with storage drawers is made of heavy-duty plastic with 4 metallic casters that enable it to roll smoothly across the floor. The casters have a full range of motion and 2 of them are locking to keep the chest securely fixed in position. It comes with a side clip that locks securely in place. It features drawer locks that prevent the drawers from sliding open. The tool chest is recessed at the top, providing a tray for your tools. While it will not fit huge tools, it's a great option for organizing nails, screwdrivers, batteries, wires, washers, bolts, and more. Pros: sturdy but lightweight plastic construction. Wheels roll and lock well. Drawers slide perfectly well. Cons: only the front wheels lock.